Breaking news coming in from Karnataka. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has made a big statement on caste census. Siddaramaiah has said, and I quote, caste census report to be discussed in cabinet meeting on October 18 and a decision will be taken accordingly. This when Congress is facing heat for raking up caste. Again and again, we have seen statements come from Rahul Gandhi in the past, and now the Karnataka CM has said that a caste census will be conducted. I'm being joined by my colleague Smita from Republic Kannada newsroom. Smita, please elaborate this story further for us.
The caste census report was handed over to the government from the Backward Commission like a couple of 8 months ago, to be precise. In the month of February, the commission had handed over the report to Siddaramaiah-led government. But from 8 months, the government had not looked forward or had taken a serious decision about when to discuss this in front of cabinet, when to establish the report. But now, when CM Siddaramaiah himself is going through, legal consequences about the Muda case. Now the sudden interest and the talk which is created about the caste census and even Siddaramaiah's statement that this will be, brought in front of the cabinet on this month's 18th is leading to several prominent questions. Basically, first, there is an opposition for this caste census within the party, within the Congress party. Even DCM DK Shivkumar and other prominent ministers, namely MB Patil and one of the most senior Congress person, Shamnur Shivshankarappa, or continuously, putting forward their opposition for the acceptance of this caste census. With the Congress party itself having a dual opinion about the caste census, will Siddaramaiah seriously take this issue and try to put it onto the table is the first question. Second, when the Muda case is ongoing and the CM is continuously facing the pressure to step down, is he trying to divert the issue? Is he trying to divert the complete issue towards this caste census, which was much debated and in a way controversial in the state, is the second question. And the third one, is Siddaramaiah trying to gain the strength and the support from the backward classes, namely Ahinda classes, is the third question, because the leaders who went to meet Siddaramaiah today belong to that backward classes, which is the prominent vote base of Siddaramaiah. And by this caste census, is he trying to show his strength and his support to the High Command, Congress High Command, which may, if the Muda case turns and the situation, if a situation arises where Siddaramaiah will be forced to step down, is he trying to show his strength and the support from the prominent caste or the communities in the way of this caste census is a third question. So basically today, by the leaders who all met Siddaramaiah has also assured that this will be brought in front of the cabinet this month 18. But the larger question, will he seriously take a step to, bring forward any major step regarding this caste census is the question which has to be answered.
Right, Smita, thank you for that update. The political cauldron boiling in Karnataka. Moving on to Jammu and Kashmir and Haryana now. The counting of votes for Jammu and Kashmir elections will begin tomorrow.